How to reset your maintenance indicator for your 2024 Corolla. Let's dive into it.
Right, this shit crazy, this shit crazy.
Every 5,000 miles or 8,000 kilometers, your maintenance indicator light will turn on. Turn your key towards your engine, but do not start the starter. Turn it until you see all your lights on your dashboard are turned on. On your steering wheel on the left hand side, there is a toggle where you can search the gear symbol. I'm going to keep on pressing the arrow button until I select the gear symbol. I'm going to press the up arrow until I get to the vehicle settings. Press and hold OK. In this scenario, I'm going to arrow up one time to get to the oil maintenance reset. In this scenario, I'm going to arrow down 3 times until I get to the scheduled maintenance. Then I press and hold until I get to the scheduled maintenance reset. So there's 2 things that would turn on your maintenance indicator light. One is for the oil, the other one is the scheduled maintenance. So you're going to have to reset either one of those or both of those. Once you have completed the reset, take off your key and then put it back in and then start it up and look for any other messages. There shouldn't be any more messages.